daawadayaal taas horta gaanka ka baxaane kuwaasay arawayta maywa teamka oo Mr Mosquito iyo wana ka magadheer Musquiz ka magadheer teamsha iyo ahaayeen aad iyo aadna ka mahad celiyana qaybta suweyn iyo ka qaadan heestaasi oo aadi ahayna qaabkii heesta landoowi qaabkii macnaha kalarshalan hagaaji aad iyo aad ayaan ka qanaani beeloway heestana marka may waa si fayla sidii oo professional lama ama sidii hadda oo macnaha dhanka oo horumar ahaan ee lansuubi aad baa waan ka helnay kulan daawadayaal isna inaan ka helan ayaa jeceliya insha Allah taala lamada heese isla group iyo isla ayaan jeceliya ama marka isla heese intaasay ka bacdi may insi guduwaane fanaaniinta yar hadda sabahan fanaaniinta badanyan Soomaali bantu ma sha Allah howliyo may waa horumar ka sii darooyan haddana ay rabne qofka nasiibkan waldhaday heestes dhowr jeer macnaha oo soo sakadari SPTV ama Bollywood company ayaa rabna in una hadda sinka sii dayno magaasheena may la dhahay ninkaasay to Triple Zinc marka heestas yaa rabna hadda ina una sinka sii dayno iyagana dhalinyaro oo Soomaali bantu of Ingiriiska heesayan waaye fadlan kusoo dhawaada
I'm coming but it's time to get a crackin' nigga the wait is over
Make your music career with Platinum Seller Beats 111
all that shit I've been through I'm here now for you haters talking just you know I'm back now eyes wide open cross the line best believe I'm gonna shoot I get money stay true getting paper cut all that shit I've been through I'm here now for you haters talking just you know I'm back now eyes wide open cross the line best believe I'm gonna shoot I get money stay true getting paper cut it's been a long time coming say I'm cooked nigga look I'm fresh counting money like a book nigga real nigga in the track hands down nigga Eastside P-Town where I'm from nigga I've been a trail nigga since day one I'm winding on street credit A1 I grind 7 days of a week and I'm still doing overtime card blockers try to block my grind gun you down you can catch me on the blind like a liquor store haters hit me I'm throwed out like a switch a house power niggas want me fall but I'm still standing tall like the Great Wall I pull up like this I stand like this and I spit like this I'm hot I'm doper than a crack they say my style heavy like a rock every time I hit the track I make your head rock I'm high like a spaceship it's just me spitting take a sip your joy all that shit I've been through I'm here now for you haters stacking just you know I'm back now eyes wide open cross the line best believe I'm gonna shoot I get money stay true getting paper cut all that shit I've been through I'm here now for you haters stacking just you know I'm back now eyes wide open cross the line best believe I'm gonna shoot I get money stay true getting paper cut with my niggas I'm with my niggas in the back hollering out free my brother and just shout yeah, that's my brother. Boy, I'm hustling every day. I can never take no break. Oh, no. I don't know what's wrong with me, but all I know is getting K. Plus your boy is colorblind, so all I see is color green. Man, I'm tripping on myself, cause I'm sipping on that lean. Got these other niggas hating, but they really can't do nothing. Get the bustin', they be tripping. Show no love at all my niggas. Man, my niggas with this shit. You other niggas pooping shit. Getting money, fucking bitches. Man, I'm on my bullshit. Can't no nigga tell me shit. Suli Low, yeah, that's my brother. Can't no nigga fuck with him. Hustlin' Perch forever, nigga. Get that understood, my nigga. By two niggas ain't nothing when it comes to Asian niggas. You funny niggas. I don't like you niggas. Nah, man, fuck you niggas. All that shit I've been through. I'm here now for you haters stacking just you know. I'm back now. Eyes wide open, press the line. Best believe I'm gonna shoot. I get money, stay true, getting paper cut. All that shit I've been through. I'm here now for you haters stacking just you know. I'm back now. Eyes wide open, press the off the blunt, we smoking bud, so what? Clips off the clip, we moving guns, 9 low. She my rider, he about 3 years younger, but I treat him like brother. All you other cats spraying rumors up the rumor, shit don't bother me on what these cats wanna be, but they can't be. Pussy talking, but they can't do it like me, my bro. Trust none, say fuck the fit. Nowadays, niggas snitching like the phone. Fuck you, I'm achieving information like the INS. Every time wood gripping to the hood, got my pistol by my side. Mama raised a good nigga. I was motivated by you haters and you suckers. I'm a young wild nigga with a short temper. You niggas just beginning, so don't start with me before I start busting. We back to the money, discuss and you true homie. When you get your money, they will hate you on the low.
Yeah, y'all already know what it is, man. She 190 low, KK, Young Trouble, my nigga. Fuck with me. Hustle Bark forever, nigga. And fuck you all about 2 rappers, nigga, for real. That's how I feel, though.
That's how nigga feel though. Who's Staff family, we in it big. 9 low, represent the prince, I'm out chill, nigga.
waayahay daawadayaala sidii horaan aan siinka sheegay way fanaaniinta Soomaali bantu inta sleema ka akyan aad iyo ogsugne fanaaniin badan ayaa jiran isla sidaas oo kale ay kaloo hayna meelan ninka fanaanka weyn magaashana laaw eedna weeri usona la dhahaw magaashe Maxamed Faarax Gadoome oo dhowr jeer ninka la qayb qaaday ama ka qaadni waraysi oo ka xisaabsan dhankaas fanka iyo suugaanta asagana sidaas amal heesta cusub asaga macnaha mar dhow heesi oo iyo rabna marka ina siinka sidana ina bal ku soo dhawaada
Aranimo waxa
waayahay saas amal haddana daawadayaal heestasay aad iyo aad u macsanta u macbaadnata macnaha ninka targali amaba dhan macnaha bulshada ka targali Soomaali Bantu ninkaas la dhaho fanaanka Maxamed Faarax Gadoome amaba ka magac dheer Gadoome yare haddana ay guda galaan fanaaminta oo Soomaali Bantu leeyahay kamid ah ninkan magaasha la dhaho oo sunaanka ay sunna mar dhow sabay fanaanda yar waaye fanaankaas oo magaashana la dhaho daawadayaal maywa Nani Saetik yale Nani Saetik FT iyo Romeo iyo MP kolen daawadayaal usan heestis u sabta ay ku soo dhawaada
Industry Ready Production. PSBeats.com. Make your purchase
now. Ilen qiyana le obedete maan hadana banang iliya odate anu iqabtang imarsiya some ko galapsidi jel kano jel wanak sinye bahayay hadele isbedel kang toni ko koi jel ka jel ngano diar mangayo hortale ande te hedase de mane ilang iyo garo gatiyo ko basede wal anu king wele no me ingwela se anu aywe kanta tanke juro kibino yo ye Pura kora bek up to my kora bo anu Asya hikena head you say Amna hijina bintere Amna hijina bintere
www.psbeats.com.
waayahay insha Allah intaasay ka bacdi wali isla gudaha may ku guda jirnay barnaamijka fanka iyo suugaanta intaasay ka bacdi ay kalo haddana nasiib waldhaday heestis mar badan TV kolen ka daarnaya si jacaliya asagana waliba may wa heestis nacaan aton Xuseeb ato mar dhowlena la suubi sin badiyowna daysatan wada mar dhowle wa heestis TV ka sii daayni heestis